March 25th, 2021. Slip S3. The black Monteray, or the blue Monteray. I did want to show you your zigs on your port side are burning pretty quickly. I'm going to actually knock off the ash. I left the ash on. I've cleaned the boat, but I'm going to knock off the ash on video for you to see. Also, it looks like you hit something on the bottom on the port side. I'm going to show you that as well. So we'll start with the turn drive. It doesn't look as bad as your out drive now, so let's take a look. Let's look at the out drive anodes. We have to knock this ash off so that the anodes can do their job, but let's take a look. The anode they put on the inside of this one has come off. While we're looking at anodes, the anode they put on the inside of this one has blood. So watch how it comes. Watch how it wiggles. Side not burning as fast. I'm going to go ahead and knock the off the other anodes on the port side for you to see. That way you'll see all the anodes that go on this particular drive. To do that, I am going to go ahead and place this again here. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the anode. I am going to add a screw to the anode on this side. But I think you might need to haul her back out. Because one more thing, I don't know what in the heck this goes to. This is part of the mechanical part of the boat, but this I don't believe should be here. But you'll have the video to show your service, your out of the water service people.